Ilang story to?
20 something.
Seems like card. I'm from the communications department.
Varnish last year.
Last year. So ganun lang, varnish lang.
Varnish.
Mayor nun, 34 ako eh.
Well, I don't know if I should take you up first or we should show down first. Alam mo, dito na muna tayo sa baba. So this
Making rooms.
Yes. This one is what we call the innovation area, where we have small group sessions with young people. This is really meant for about 20 to 25 people. It's very much used, to talk about issues, to talk about, it's a safe space for people, young people to come up with ideas.
Nandito na tayo pa.
Sige, akyat tayo.
Maganda yun.
Okay. Lahat yan, solid.
Hindi siya plywood.
Kaya naman bilang mga mayor na it has stood the test of time.
This is the secret chamber of the foundation. You are entering the boardroom.
Yeah, this is Chiclet Toledo, the head of our research.
Special meeting areas for
Look at that. Ano yan? Original lahat. And then this is our special boardroom for all of the past chairs of the foundation. So in the past 68 years, ito po ang mga naging chairpersons ng foundation. The last of this was Cheche Lazo. And now we have
for the board.
Mr. Ed Sheeran.
Very quiet, very confidential. Very safe.
Also, this.
Cork.
Yan, turig din yan. Kasi dati merong film. You could show film.
So projection room.
Projection room.
Projection room.
Luma-luma ka pa po siya. Classic talaga.
Ayun, ano na lang, high-tech na lang.
Kaya very careful.
Tapos ito, very, itong table na ito, na po, so yung gumawa ko ng table ito, kinuha lahat ng different shapes of the building, and they put it in the table. So, ito po ang aming mga trabaho dito.
Storage.
Is all of these things.
Sabi niya, boss, storage.
Kailangan namin ilagay yung
Digitize.
Oo, i-digitize lahat siya.
From other parts of Asia. We host them here, and
We have that project now.
Pledge.
Yan pa rin siya, pero
Yeah, meron may backup na.
mirror ka.
Yes.
Sorry na pinakain. Lalo na veg. Magastos yun eh. Dami yun.
so usually pag may mga
Sir, ito yung pinag-usapan natin noong isang araw sa storage room. This thing.
Okay. Yes, boss. Bolt.
Magkano yan, sir, di ba?
Secured yung area.
another secret chamber.
Kasi doon sa disenyo namin, sabi ko, magkaroon tayo. While we do the cloud storage. Because in government, we still need to have this hard copy. And those hard copies should not be accessed by the region those in area. It has to be properly placed.
Kami tinanong niya,
Para laging
wala pa kaming nakikita.
tuntunan. O matutuntunan.
Tutuntunan.
Hinahanap pa namin yung ano dyan.
Marami pa po kaming trabaho. Warehouse. Kailangan naka-aircon kasi pag-hindi. Masisira yung mga dito. Yeah, because this is what we envision to be part of the museum one day. Look at this. Yung mga lumang
Alala ko siya, library nung araw.
No, ito. Kung nakatalaka.
Ayan, Marie is our chief librarian. Why don't you see some of our pictures? Sige, Marie, pakita mo yung mga retrato natin. Ito yung mga different mayors of Manila na we have graced us over the years as well.
Yeah. Ito. Si Eva. Young, energetic, brilliant achiever.
Wow.
That's a Eva.
Oh.
That's how
Oh,
we
you
use
maintain
holding.
your
See, look at all the mayors of helped us to take over the years. So, ito yung
Oh, Ramon. Sana dito si Crystal matutuwa yun. Kita niya yung lolo niya. Did you know that Mayor Ramon Bagasin is a POW?
Oh,
No, he's a survivor of the Bataan veterans. Tapos during the bombing of Plaza Miranda, he was one of the worst victims. Basically,
yun.
masama ang tama sa kanya. Kasi katabi niya yata yung granada.
Yung sumabog na.
Sumabog.
So part of our dream is to put this all in a proper museum or a proper gallery as we enter our 68 years old na po kami ngayon. So hopefully by the time we hit 70, 75, 100, we can really make this place a destination place for the people of Manila, for all of our visitors. At when we welcome them, di lang sila pupunta sa Intramuros, di lang sila pupunta sa Binondo, pupunta sila dito for hope and inspiration.
Actually, pwede talagang maging cultural ang Manila. Dahil ang daming, this is very rich in culture.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying to a lot of audience when I speak about them. You know, Manila is an old city.
Yes.
If you want good buildings, brand new, modern, you go to Makati, BGC, Ortigas. You'll see it there, but they don't have a soul.
That's true.
Manila,
Manila, yeah.
lahat ng structure namin, whether it's new at the time, or yung aming mga old buildings, they have a story to tell.
That's right.
That's our uniqueness.
That's
So
correct.
the least thing that we can do as government is to make it pleasant at panatag. Aliwalas at panatag. Because we wanted the way it is. Kasi yun ang yaman namin. Yung kasaysayan.
Yan.
Walang makaka...
Yung mahirap ibenta yun eh.
Oo.
Mahirap ma-achieve.
Mahirap gayahin yung
Gayahin
walang
yun.
makakagaya.
Walang makakagaya.
Oo, dahil Manila lang ang meron.
Every ultimo hardware, we will see that this is a 100-year-old hardware in downtown.
Downtown.
Oh, yeah. Bakery, ultimo noodle, ultimo hopia.
Yeah.
These are the
Totoo yun.
stories. Yan na. Tama yung direction. Kamoy na. Pagkain na. O, buti na, dali nyo pa to. Oo. Magsaysay, ano yung pangalan ng jeep yan? Yung kung biyahe mo, idudot-dot mo yan sa windshield.
Oo.
Doon sa rubber. Tutusok mo yan doon. Malalaman kaya po.
Wala nang hinihingi
Kasi-
ang mayor eh.
Kasi dito sa gilid, by the time mabasa mo yun, lumagpas na yung jeep.
Tapos na yun.
Pero yung jeep ko,
May signboard ka to.
oo, yan. Kaya marami yan.
Windshield.
Sa
Marami
windshield.
yan, no?
Oo, marami yan.
Ibay-ibay mo na
Mali.
bawat.
Oo, ayan yun.
Campaign para pagmahal.
Oo.
Dapat sa inyo mayor.
Ito yung pattern
Oo,
niya.
yan yung pattern.
Hindi, kasi he started councilor. Youngest councilor at that time. So, history na yun.
Actually, the youngest mayor is Mayor Villegas, but through natural progression. Yung succession. So, break ko na yung record yung sa the youngest councilor ever elected in the city of Manila. Youngest vice mayor ever elected in the city of Manila. Youngest mayor ever elected in the city. Tatlo yun.
Youngest president.
Ay, wag na.
Tapos muna natin yung Manila mayor.
Dito na lang ako. Masyado magulo na ang mundo na yun. Sila-sila na lang.
Bakit na
Oo, dito na lang ako. At least ito, any consider, yung poste ng kuryente namin, nakakatagilid. The very next day, you can send people there. Fix it. That's what you call low-hanging fruit. Make your constituents feel that may gobyerno sa
Mayor, mamaya po, we want to give to the city of Manila for the library.
Yeah.
This is our 65th anniversary gift to the city of Manila.
Thank you.
Because to tell you all about the Ramon Magsaysay Foundation. Ano ba ito? What do we believe? What's it about? Ano po ang greatness of spirit? The story of the Magsaysay legacy written by Senator
June.
Senator June Magsaysay. And then mga kwento po na puro puno ng inspiration para sa mga young leaders natin that are aspiring to do good. Not just for the city, not just for the Philippines, for Asia and the world.
Ilan yung awardees natin?
Ito, if I yes, so technically we have 356 awardees.
So, there are 356 stories.
Yeah.
Kasama dyan, Dalai Lama, Isa.
Yung nasa kanan.
In fact, ngayon ko nandito sa Dalai Lama. Si Pedro Curtis, that was something else.
Yes. So we will give it to you. Yes. We will give it to your library. This is an award.
Siguro nasa inyo.
So ito yung
Gourmet cafe.
na library.
Thank you, pare.
Here is the people on our Rosario Comparo. hopefully mapapadalas po sila.
Very interesting.
Ito, kasi lang, maliit lang ng grupo. You want something na minsan kasi, pag nasa hotel, you want sisi, you lang lang attention.
Ayun yun. Active pa rin yung room.
Acting yan.
Kaya siya active can be subjected to
Yes. As a matter of fact, let me just show you very quickly before I give you back here. So don't
Ba't pakainin natin si Mayor? Okay lang.
you are better than mine. Meeting room number one.
Ganun pa rin.
Meeting room number one, which people have used, as a small group meeting area. Okay, which we can customize. It has its own bathroom para very private.
So you can acquire the space daily.
Yes. Yes, very flexible. And then, ito na. This is the Walk of Fame here. These are all the Magsaysay awardees for the past 68 years. And sabi ko nga, this is a 40-step walk to 68 years. So these mo yan. As you can see here, colored pa yan. Colored. But as we keep going,
Magiging black mo.
magiging black and white.
Padilim ng
Panilim mo pa.
But it's the other way around.
Yeah.
From dilim to the
Totoo
color
yan.
of light.
Yeah. This is Princess Maha of Thailand. That's a Magsaysay awardee. Father Reuter. Yan. And then this is another one of the meeting rooms.
Anong biggest is? Meeting rooms.
Maliit ang meeting room namin. Siguro mga ganyan, 20, 30, except if you get the hall.
Hindi, you get the point.
Innovation
If
Hub.
you get the hall, then that gets, pero yan na, black and white. Black and white na siya. Nandito rin si Lino Broca. Ito, Lino Broca.
Oh.
Who is a Magsaysay awardee also. Dr. Fedel Mundo. She's a pediatrician, the first woman that went to Harvard.
Yeah.
And that's a Filipino woman doctor who went to Harvard. Mother Teresa Calcata. Master Cheng Yen is the founder, she's a Buddhist nun of the Chuchi Foundation.
Hanggang ngayon.
Exactly.
Magtatayo pa sila ng ospital eh.
Yes.
If I'm not mistaken. I was informed ahead of time. Sabi ko, you tell them it's pre-approved. Just submit all the...
They are wonderful.
Yeah, ando sa Santa Mesa.
Yeah, Santa Mesa.
Oh.
Correct.
Pupunta sila sa,
Sa birthday
birthday ni
It's
Taiwan.
going to be her 90th birthday. Pero talagang very benevolent and love ng Pilipinas. And then of course the Dalai Lama and Vinova Bhabhe, who is the first Magsaysay awardee in India. Kaya ang laki natin sa India. A lot of people in India know about us. Na nasa ano pa tayo, who wants to be a millionaire? Na ang question, who are the Magsaysay awardees for 2026? Imagine?
Ang maganda dito, Mayor, no? Itong mga sina Mother Teresa, Dalai Lama, we recognize them first, even before they were recognized by the Nobel, etc. So, yung greatness of spirit na recognize ng Ramon Magsaysay early, bago pa na-recognize ng ibang awarding bodies.
Ay magagaling naman yung na-pwede nyo talaga.
Yeah, magagaling yung mga...
Magaling talaga.
Every year, maswerte na mahuhusay na pipili.
Oo.
Yep. Okay. Alright, so we go back to the library for eating and a short presentation now. Ayan na yung mood mo. Mayor.
Hindi talaga.
Very specific ako doon sa agriculture. Tama yung magsaysay building. Pingin mo yung finish.
Sino mo ito na yung lahat dyan?
Buhay pa.
Tingnan, buhay pa. 60 years. Wala pang anay-anay. Imagine.
Pinag-asa panahon yung
Maganda kasi drying yan.
anong araw kasi.
Yung ngayon, medyo namadali.
Machinery na eh.
Oo.
Ito talagang air dry.
Yeah.
Mayor, dito ka uupo.
No, dito na lang.
Hindi, para kayong magbabayan.
Hindi ko yung babae sa kanto mesa.
Okay, let's go have some
Kaya, wala tayo, ano kung fail ko?
Oo, sige, sige. Halika po kayo.